Yo, what's up, guys? It's Billy here.
Anthony here, the S2K guys.
What's going on? Back with another video. Anthony's got some for you guys. Check it out. Check it out.
We got the HKS HiPower single exit 75 mil. Gonna do an unboxing. We're also gonna install it today. Pretty excited. Been waiting for it for quite a bit. So yeah, we purchased from Ballad Motorsports. Let's get to it, unboxing, and go with the install shortly. As you can see, packaged nice with air sealed packaging. Oh man, look at the quality of that. So as you can see, there's two pieces to this. It's a cat bag, so bolts to the stock cat. In my case, I have a test pipe. So looks like this is a couple gaskets and hardware for the exhaust. And this also comes with a bracket that you got to bolt to the OEM rear diff mounts, because the way the hanger's designed on the exhaust, this allows for it to reach. And this is the adjustable titanium tip, and it also gives you hardware for this to adjust it how far you want it in and out. So we're gonna get ready to take the stock exhaust off and install this, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're currently removing the stock exhaust, and this is all one piece going back to the muffler. So you just pretty much got to remove the three bolts that connect to the cat or the test pipe. In my case, I have a Burke Technology 70 millimeter test pipe, and these bolts are also a different size from OEM. They're actually 17 millimeter bolt and then a 15 millimeter nut. So in my case, I'm just removing all three, and from there we're going to remove the exhaust hangers on the muffler, and then we'll be able to pull the stock exhaust out. Alright, so in the midst of removing the stock exhaust, we got to remove this bracket, which there's two 14 millimeter bolts on each side. It's easier to get this out of the way so you can drop the stock exhaust, and it'll help with installing the new exhaust as well. So I got this bracket removed, as you can see. Next thing, I got these exhaust pliers. They're made by Blue Point Snap-on, but these are a big help with removing the exhaust hangers from the exhaust. So there's going to be one right here, right above this resonator. Let me see, I'll show you. So right there, and then there'll be a couple more for the exhaust hangers, or the muffler hangers, I should say, on each side. So
Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? We just took this off Anthony's AP1. This is the OEM. It's definitely heavy, probably about 30 to 40 pounds, I'd guess, maybe heavier if not. Obviously a little old and rusted, and here is the new one, nice single. So keep you updated. Had a couple hangers. Highly recommend that hanger tool because it made our job super easy. Definitely going to be more of a struggle. So that's it. It wasn't too bad as far as overall how it was connected. It's pretty quick and simple if you have the right tools. So stay tuned.
all right, so we got the mid pipe that's bolted to the test pipe. I just hand tighten the bolts for now until we get everything lined up to where we want it, then we'll tighten it down. But I also had to install this bracket that came with the kit. So you pretty much these are 14 millimeter bolts for the rear diff mount on the passenger side. You have to remove these and pretty much sandwich it in between the rear subframe and then the bolt and tighten it down. This is an extra hanger. The way the exhaust is designed for the hanger, you'll be able to connect it here for added support. So we'll get ready to install the muffler part, and we'll show you what we got. All right, so we got everything bolted up now. Exhaust is back on. We put the tip on. So this is how it sits off the bumper. It's pretty much just adjusted all the way as far as it could go. But if I want to adjust it, there's just an Allen on this side and a 10mm bolt inside. I put thread lock on the bolts just in case. So go under, got it mounted to that bracket that was bolted to the passenger side rear diff mount. Got this bracket back on. It's bolted up and bolted to the test pipe. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna about to turn it on and see how it sounds.
Hey guys, what's up? We just put on the Anthony's exhaust. Sounds super great. Honestly, it might make me want to buy one. Who knows? Maybe it's already on the way. Anyway, Ant, let them know how it went.
So, as Billy mentioned, we finished the install for the HKS HyperMax exhaust single exit. Pretty easy install. Remove the old one and put the new one on. So we're about to take it for a road test, and it sounds amazing at idle. So I can't wait to rip it VTEC. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Please like and comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at the S2K guys, and we appreciate y'all.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hey guys, we got that exhaust on, HKS. The hook is called?
HiPower.
HKS HiPower, okay. Hey, what's up guys? Billy and Anthony, we,